Hey guys, I'm Rayona and welcome to my channel. I'll be using one pack of Freetress braid hair. It's pre-stretched, 28 inches. The color is OM30 and the hair was purchased from my local hair store. First, I part my hair down the middle, dividing it into two even sections, and I put one side in a ponytail. Then I part my hair for the first braid. I find it easier to start braiding my hair from the middle. It helps with spacing out the braids, keeping them straight, and creating an even number of braids on both sides of my head. Before I start braiding, I use Shine and Jam on my roots. And I brush the Shine and Jam in my hair with my edge brush. So I start my braid as normal and braid my hair straight back. Then I take a small piece of braiding hair and add that in at the beginning of the braid. And I just continue braiding as normal. Then I take another small piece of braiding hair and add that in towards the middle of the braid. Now I didn't add that much hair in as I braided because I wanted to keep the braids pretty small and natural looking. And at the end of the braid, I take a larger section of braiding hair and add it in. Then I just braid all the way down to the end of the braiding hair. I also put some Shine and Jam on my real hair as I braid to make it less frizzy. And sometimes I use my scissors to cut pieces of the hair that are sticking out of the braid. When I was finished braiding my hair, I boiled some water and dipped my braids into it. I also dipped my towel in the hot water and used it on the parts of my braids that I couldn't dip. Next, I used my Wig and Weave Flyaway and Wrap Mousse and I put it all over my braids. And as you can see, I didn't braid my edges, so I'm going to use this Style Factor Edge Booster to lay them down. Then I just tied my hair down with a scarf. After that, I used hair jewelry to decorate my braids. So this is the final look. It took me about 4 hours to braid my hair. I like how the braids came out. They're really pretty. I just think I should have made the ends of my braids a little thicker. But let me know what you think of this style. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.